Imagine this, a state-of-the-art Eurofighter Typhoon, a jet worth over $100 million, forced to fire a missile costing nearly the same as a luxury car, just to take down a hobby store drone worth a few thousand. It sounds absurd, right? Yet that's the reality European air forces face today. Now BAE Systems believes it has a smarter answer. Give the Typhoon a low-cost, high-precision rocket system called APKWS. If this works, it could rewrite how Europe protects its skies. Let's start with the bigger picture. Modern conflicts are no longer defined only by dogfights or giant missiles. Small drones, cheap, silent, and fast, are now the weapon of choice for militias and even regular armies. They can spy, drop explosives, and confuse radar. For nations defending huge airspaces, that's a nightmare. Shooting down a $20,000 drone with $1 million missile isn't sustainable. And if the drones arrive in swarms, the math gets even worse. This is why European air forces, especially those flying the Eurofighter Typhoon, are searching for a solution that's quick to deploy, accurate, and most importantly, affordable. The Eurofighter Typhoon is an incredible machine. Supersonic speeds, advanced radar, and heavy-hitting weapons like the Meteor or AMRAAM. But here's the catch. Those missiles were built for enemy jets and high-value targets, not for slow-moving drones the size of a lawnmower. Every time a Typhoon fires one of these missiles, it costs hundreds of thousands. Sometimes more. So what happens when a dozen small drones cross the border at once? You either spend a fortune, or you risk letting some slip through. That's the challenge BAE Systems wants to solve. Enter the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, or APKWS. Originally designed for helicopters and light aircraft, it's basically a smart upgrade kit for ordinary 70mm rockets. Instead of a dumb rocket, APKWS adds a laser guidance section, turning it into a precision weapon at a fraction of the price of a traditional missile. Recent upgrades even add a dual-mode seeker. It can lock onto a laser target or switch to an infrared sensor mid-flight. That means the pilot can paint a drone with a laser, fire, and move on, while the rocket homes in by itself. The cost? Tens of thousands of dollars per round, still serious money but dramatically cheaper than a high-end air-to-air missile. And because each rocket is smaller, a Typhoon could potentially carry pods holding many of them, ready to swat down swarms. At the recent DSEI Defense Expo in London, BAE revealed that it's studying how to fit APKWS pods to the Typhoon. Engineers are assessing how much modification the jet's targeting software needs, how to connect the rockets to existing pylons, and whether pilots can use current sensors or need new ones. The idea isn't to replace the Typhoon's powerful missiles. Instead, think of APKWs as a second tier. Meteor and AMRAAM stay ready for enemy fighters, while APKWs handles drones, light aircraft, or even fast attack boats. Other militaries have already shown the rocket's potential. In tests, APKWs has destroyed small unmanned aircraft moving over 100 miles per hour. It's accurate, versatile, and quick to launch. The benefits seem obvious: cost efficiency, more shots for less money. Flexibility. Typhoons can carry a mix of high-end missiles and these cheaper rockets. Rapid response, dual-mode guidance reduces pilot workload and speeds up engagements. But challenges remain. Integrating a new weapon into a mature aircraft isn't just plug and play. Software updates, flight testing, and certification all take time and money. And while APKWS is perfect for drones or light vehicles, it's not a magic bullet for fast maneuvering fighters. Still, the urgency is real. Across Europe, the number of drone incidents is rising every month. Delays could mean more costly interceptions, or worse, a successful drone strike. This project signals a bigger shift in air warfare thinking. It's no longer just about the most powerful missile. It's about using the right weapon for the right target, and doing it at scale without bankrupting the defense budget. If BAE and its partner nations pull this off, the Eurofighter Typhoon could become one of the most versatile counter-drone platforms in the world. So, to sum it up, BAE Systems wants to arm the Eurofighter Typhoon with low-cost, laser-guided APKWS rockets, turning a high-end fighter into a drone hunter that can fight smart, not just expensive. But here's the question for you. As drones get faster, stealthier, and cheaper, is adapting old jets enough? Or is it time to rethink air defense from the ground up? Let's discuss in the comments.